behind me, you'll see the main entrance of the school. This week we are finishing up the main entrance sheathing and metal panels. Storefront's done, and we are meeting our milestones of temporary certificate of occupancy as of June 30th. And so furniture will be moving in the week of July 6th. And then this is the academic wing, where we've got, which we call areas E and D, where we've got all of our science labs, general classrooms, and flexible learning spaces ready for our students come August 16th.
So right now we're getting ready to start drilling the piers. Right now we're starting to drill the piers on A and B, but over here we're ready to go with that. And on the other side of there we also have all the gas line already hooked up. Meters are set. All we have to do when we get ready for gas is trench it over there and hook up to it and run it through the building.